Hi everyone, this is Zainab, a legal intern at Lexis & Company. So today I'm going to discuss about a recent case. You all must have heard that a Lakshadweep filmmaker Aisha Sultana, she has been charged under section 124A of IPC, that is sedition. So basically what happened that the filmmaker Aisha Sultana, she said during a TV debate that PM Narendra Modi has used PM Narendra Modi's government has used the union territories administrator. So as you all know that Lakshadweep is a union territory now, and it is governed by directly by the central government. So they have appointed administrator. So recently in 2020, Praful Patel was elected as the administrator of Lakshadweep Island. So she said that the union UT's administrator Praful Khoda Patel, they deploy COVID-19 as a bioweapon against the people of the land. So this is a big statement by her, as it can be used by other countries to directly challenge the India's sovereignty and security, etc. So basically, sedition law, I have already discussed in my previous video that Lord Macaulay in 1860 he came up with this sedition law so as to stop whoever by words either spoken or written or by signs or by visible representation or otherwise brings or attempts to bring hatred or contempt or excites or attempts to excite disaffection towards the government established by law in India. That person shall be punished with the imprisonment for life, which may extend up to 7 years also, and with the fine, which makes like 7 to 3 years, depending upon the statement or the act which they have done, to which a fine which may be added, or like both. So basically she said that Praful Patel is basically a bioweapon by the central government, PM Narendra Modi government, जो कि उन्होंने deploy की है. So it is a very big thing. So let's start. First we will know that about the Lakshadweep. So as we all know that Lakshadweep is an island. Okay, जो अभी the central government directly as an through administrator उनको वो करिए administer कर रही है पूरे लक्षद्वीप को. And लक्षद्वीप western coast पे इंडिया के, and like from the western coast, like this is the end part. So यहाँ से वो उसके 200 to 400 kilometers का पूरा distance है. And Lakshadweep is not one island, it consists of 36 islands. Okay, but only the 10 are जिस जहाँ पे लोग रहते हैं, only 10 islands पे ही लोग रहते हैं वहाँ पे. 36 islands are total, छोटे छोटे and बहुत ही so beautiful. So basically it is an archipelago of 36 islands and in the Arabian Sea, located at 220 to 400 kilometers, that is 120 to 270 miles of the mainland southwest east coast, we all know. So but the जो basically population of this union territory Lakshadweep वो है 64,473. So you can see that only 65,000 people live there. बहुत ही ज़्यादा कम population है as compared to India. लक्षद्वीप भी इंडिया का ही पार्ट है, तो बहुत कम पॉपुलेशन है उधर, और पॉपुलेशन का ग्रोथ रेट भी बहुत कम है लक्षद्वीप में. सो बट द मेजोरिटी ऑफ द इंडिजिनस पॉपुलेशन है, इट इज़ मुस्लिम ओनली. So the main occupation of the people there is fishing, coconut cultivation with the tuna. Tuna basically एक fish है, special type fish, with being the main item of the export, जो export वहाँ से होता है. ठीक है. एंड जो crime in the union territory is nearly absent, जो वहाँ के records बताते हैं, rendering most its small jails are empty. So that is a different thing जो अभी न्यूज़ में आई थी regarding the टेररिस्टल एक्टिविटीज़ जो वहाँ पे हो रही हैं, एंड देन द ड्रग्स का भी जो पकड़ा गया है. बट अकॉर्डिंग टू द रिकॉर्ड्स ऑफ द लक्षद्वीप आइलैंड, वहाँ पे बहुत ही लाइक क्राइम रेट इट्स 0. सो लक्षद्वीप इंडिया का 8th यूनियन टेरिटरी अभी रिसेंटली बनाई है. तो दिस लक्षद्वीप आइलैंड कंस्टिट्यूट्स अ सिंगल इंडियन डिस्ट्रिक्ट. ओके, सो मैंने आई टोल्ड यू कि वहाँ पे टोटल 36 आइलैंड्स है, बट दिस 36 आइलैंड्स कॉन्स्टिट्यूट ओनली वन इंडियन डिस्ट्रिक्ट. ओके, एंड मेन इट इज़ गवर्न बाय द प्रफुल्ल पटेल, जो कि 220 में ही इलेक्ट हुए हैं. एंड ही इज़ बिन इलेक्टेड बाय द प्रेजिडेंट अंडर आर्टिकल 239 ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. सो बेसिकली प्रफुल्ल पटेल एक बहुत ही नए चेंजेस लेकर आ रहा है लक्षद्वीप आइलैंड पे, जो वहाँ के इनहेबिटेंट्स को पसंद नहीं आ रहे हैं, बिकॉज उनका बेसिकली हिज गोल इज़ टू मेक द लक्षद्वीप लाइक अ मालदीव्स एज ए ट्रैवलिंग डेस्टिनेशन। उनको बहुत ज़्यादा नए चेंजेस लाने का वो सोच रहे हैं। सो we'll discuss about these changes in the next video. That's all for now. Thank you.